How to comment photo on TikTok. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can comment photo on TikTok. So without any delay, let's start with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So let's start. First thing first, just open up your TikTok. But before that, make sure you have downloaded the updated version of TikTok because that feature is only available on the updated version of TikTok. So if you haven't updated, just head over to your Google Play Store or any of the app store that is available onto your device and make sure to update your app. After updating is done, you just need to head over to the TikTok application and you should be able to see this kind of interface in your screen after you log in. So what you're going to do is simply head over to a video where you want to comment. Right now, you can see this video on my screen. So what I'm going to do is just tap on this comment section right here. You just need to tap on comment. And when you tap on comment, you will be able to see different comments. So in order to reply, you just need to head over to the reply section. And when you head over to the reply, let me just tap on reply, you are able to see this video section, and that feature may also vary from region to region. Right now I have this video section at the side of the replying section, which means I can reply with a video or photo if possible. Otherwise there may be a photo option as well. You may just use that option in order to reply with a photo on that particular comment on TikTok. So just head over to the photo section and just tap on photo. After that, they will lead you to your externals internal gallery, where you'll find all of your photos of your devices. So you're just going to click over one photo and tap on done, and that photo should be commented on your TikTok. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to do that very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.